This is the Malibu mansion of tennis legend John McEnroe, worth $30 million. This 3,700 square foot oceanfront home backs onto the Pacific Ocean and has an elevator. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, plus 2 powder rooms. All rooms have ocean views, and the top floor master bedroom has a balcony to watch the sunset over the Malibu coast. There is also a library, a chef's kitchen, a media room, an office, and a temperature-controlled wine room. Outside, there is an enclosed courtyard that separates the house from the garage, and out back is a luxurious-looking hot tub, cabana with a fireplace and a sauna. John McEnroe is an American former professional tennis player. He is the only male player since the inception of the ATP rankings in 1973 to simultaneously hold the world #1 rankings in both singles and doubles, and the only male player to win more than 70 titles in both singles and doubles.